to take you on a tour of one of the Porter apartments, which is where I live, but I will not be giving you a tour of mine because it's really dirty, but it's gonna be of my friends. I'm going the wrong way. Off to a great start. So the Porter Apartments is housing for mostly second-year students and transfer students. So here's a view of the outside of them.
Hi, I'm Shauna. I'm a Porter affiliate. I am a computer science major and I'm about to finish my second year at Ucsc.
Yes. Okay, and this is her apartment, so she's gonna give us a quick tour.
So this is the living room.
Look how cute.
It's really easy to make it homey with a bunch of tapestries and blankets. This is our kitchen, which is standard. Someone's currently cooking, so yeah, a ton of cabinet space. This is our living room. Or this isn't. This is our dining room. This is our bathroom.
The cutest bathroom you'll ever see.
With the full-on bathtub. Let's get a pose in. Okay. That looks pretty cute. This is my bedroom. I have a single. It's really spacious. I have a ton of room. And love it. I'm sad to move out. You should look out my window. So in the Porter apartments, they're kind of like a townhouse, and there's 4 bedrooms in total and only 6 people. So there's 2 singles and 2 doubles. There's 2 bathrooms too. The downstairs bathroom, or like the floor level bathroom, has a bathtub in it, which is really cool.
What's your favorite thing about UCSC?
My favorite thing about UCSC, well, it's kind of a love-hate relationship, but it's definitely living in the forest and just being surrounded by all this tree, but with so much tree in between everywhere, there's a lot of walking.
Right.
Yeah, but you get used to it, kind of.
Oh, my roommates are out, and I thought I'd give you like a little tour of my dorm room. This one is a little small. There's 3 of us in this room, so I have 2 other roommates, and I think the triple is the most common on campus, but some dorms are like bigger than others. But the one I'm in Crown is so it's a little smaller than normal. But here, I'll try to get in everything in there. You got my bed is up here. I don't know if you can if you want to see if it's pretty typical size, and this is kind of where my desk is. It kind of took like this one because I kind of like having my little area. But my roommate and my other roommate here, he kind of has like a thing. It's just like whatever. And then this isn't normal. This it's actually another friend who just moved in here. Well, he moved his computer in here. So, yeah, so he could come in here and hang out with all of us. I'd say the way they pick the roommates are nice. I really like my roommates, and as far as I heard, all of the people I've talked to, they like the roommates. So if you're worried about like that, them picking a roommate for you, I don't think there's really a problem. And if not, I mean, honestly, you can totally avoid spending time in here too. And of course, the housing office, they listen to your problems if you have any problems. But I think that, I don't know, I think I showed you pretty much. It's not much, but it will do. You sleep in here, you should really be outside. There's plenty of other fun things here on campus. So